Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display discount percentage on the sale badge in WooCommerce product in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and then you see sale badge. So we are going to display discount percentage. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. So we are going to display discounted price on the sale badge. Now you see, so this is a variable product, sale 47%. So this is our simple product. Now open it. On variable product page you see sale badge 47%. Now go to simple product page, also you see sale 40%, and then you see text sale if you want to edit. Now back to code and then scroll down. Now you see sale text, so you can add text according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.